Today we're at Mecum Kissimmee. Behind me is a 1969 Boss 429. This is KK 1400. KK 1400 just came out of my shop and brought it down here. Ed Meyer, the Boss 429 guru, my dad, and I just finished this up back in October. We took it to the Indiana SAAC Fall Classic, where it received Division II Gold Award, missing only a handful of points. Since then, all those points have been corrected. KK 1400 is obviously a very early KK number, so it does have an original S motor. It is finished in Wimbledon white. As you can see, beautiful paint job. Wimbledon white is Ford's racing color, so that kind of makes this car just a little more special. This car is extremely original. As you can see, under the engine bay, on the interior, it's all original. And why this car is so original is it's only got 9,975 miles. As you can see with the originality, this is the very first inspection sticker that was ever put on this car, and it's still there today. So you can see that it expired in July 31st, 1970, which is one of the reasons this car is so original. Still has its original ANCO OE wiper blades, still has its original headlights. As you can see in the engine bay, it is an S motor, so it does have its magnesium valve covers, original air cleaner seal up here. So this car, you know, it's got it all. It's obviously restored by myself at Nate's Classic Cars, and with the help of my father, Ed Meyer, we made this a stellar car. It's one of the best to ever see an auction block. It goes off Friday, lot number 246, so F246. We're excited to see what it does. I don't think anybody has ever brought quite the car, quite the Boss 429 to auction. So we're excited to see what it does. When you bring a hell of a car, it should bring a hell of a price. So we'll see you guys Friday to see what this thing brings.